Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Adalo custom domains and SSL settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore Adalo custom domains and SSL settings, start by logging into your Adalo account. Navigate to the settings section of the application you want to modify. Look for the custom domains tab and click on it. Here, you will see a list of any existing custom domains. If you find your domain listed but not active, you can click on the Activate button next to it. If your domain is not listed, you will need to add it by clicking the Add Custom Domain button. Enter your custom domain name in the provided field. After entering the domain, click Save. Next, you will need to configure your DNS settings with your domain registrar. Log into your domain registrar account in a new tab. Locate your DNS management settings. Add a name record pointing to the specified Adalo URL provided during the domain setup process. Save your DNS settings and allow some time for the changes to propagate. Return to your Adalo settings and refresh the page. Once the domain is successfully connected, you should see a confirmation message. Next, check the SSL settings for your custom domain. In the Custom Domains tab, look for the option to enable SSL. Click on the Enable SSL button. Wait for Adalo to issue an SSL certificate for your domain. This process may take a few minutes. Once the SSL certificate is active, a padlock icon will appear next to your custom domain. Make sure to test your custom domain by entering it into your browser. If everything is configured correctly, your application should load with the secure HTTPS connection. If you encounter any issues, revisit your DNS settings to ensure they are correctly configured. Consult Adalo support documentation or contact their support team for further assistance if needed. Your custom domain and SSL settings should now be fully restored and operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.